Just get ready, they're coming in. Let them get closer. Okay, take the one on the left. Okay, take it.
No, I'll take the one that's already separated. No, I'm gonna take the big one. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, dude. Brendan just killed a big old Tom. Opening morning of Kansas youth season. Had 3 of them come in. We just got snuck up here. We just got set up in this spot. And the wind blew our decoy over, blew our strutter decoy over. I let out a couple yelps. And that's all of a sudden I heard one. Heard a hen, and then I looked up and I saw 3 red hens coming running straight at us. 3 of them, and they ran right into that. We had a hen laying down, and then that decoy was knocked over. But they still saw it. They came running right in. Brendan shot the biggest one. Shot him about 35, 40 yards and just rolled him. The other 2 are still just standing out there. Bubba, what do you think about that?
That's just cool.
Pretty awesome, wasn't it, man?
Yeah.
That worked out so good. You stayed so calm. You did so good, man. I was sitting there yelling, like, take one, take one. You're like, no, wait, I want to get one separate. You know the good thing about that?
What?
You didn't get 2, but guess what? You still get to go do more hunting. All right, that's the first turkey of the 2016 season for the Byrne brothers. We're on the board, buddy. Look at him, give him one. Give him thumbs up, buddy.
Okay.
Well, Byrne Brothers 2016 season has started off with a bang here in youth season. Old Killer B got it done here, opening morning. Had 3 of them come in on us, and he shot the biggest one and waylaid it. Couldn't be more proud of him.